Jack, coming to you from Amsterdam from the Kimla stand, another name that's new for me anyway. And they have been in the printing space for some time, but let's talk about it with Jakub. Hey, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very, very good. Look, well, first of all, Kimla, a bit of a new name to me, maybe to many. So tell us a bit about where it comes from.
So Kimla is from Poland, so we are a Polish manufacturer. The name Kimla is a surname of the owner. So we are not so well known outside of Poland, but in Poland we are what you can call a leader in CNC manufacturing. The company started 25 years ago, so Przemysław Kimla is the owner. It's a privately owned company. The company started from CNC control systems.
Right.
So we
So
make
software or
software,
okay.
yes. It was a software-based company 25 years ago. Then the company started manufacturing control systems and then the machines to go along. So software, electronics, mechanics, all in-house.
All in-house. Well, that's an important thing you stress. Well, 25 years down the line, I would say I see a lot of machinery now. Yeah, basically you service and supply multiple industries, but for the printing industry, what are the main products that you bring to the table and to FESPA for that matter?
Okay, so this is our first time exhibiting at FESPA. We know that this is a very good exhibition for the printing industry, and we have some pretty cool products that we can bring forward and show. We have high-speed cutters for different printed materials, for polycarbonates, milling. We have the laser cutter for cutting sheet metal. So we have some pretty good options and some nice features, which we believe could help this market.
Yeah, well, any help is welcome, I would say. But as you mentioned, you're coming out of Poland. I've been focusing the last, well, maybe not the last couple of years on local markets. So now you're expanding into Europe and the US, you told me. So how are you going to pull this off? Because there is quite some fierce competition.
Yes, well, we are focusing on expanding. Before, the company was a national focused company, so 90% sales were local. Since about 10 years, we've been expanding quite a bit internationally, but as you know, it's not so easy to build distribution channels. But we do have now some good distributors overseas and in many of the bigger countries. So this is how we are trying to expand, relying on supporting our distributors to be able to support their customers.
All right. Well, as you were saying, and we are here hopefully also to show to our viewers and to help you a little bit in that task. What would you say are your, let's say, your three main KPIs for your products here for the printing industry?
We have, I think, the high-speed cutter on linear motors. So this is something totally revolutionary. This is a magnetic drive system. Most companies have rack and pinion drive or belt drive, but this has wear and tear, less accuracy. But we've developed a drive system based on magnetics, so there is no backlash, no wear and tear, extremely high acceleration. So we have these machines built exactly for the signage industry, which can have very high output.
Yeah. Well, I saw some of the machines before, as you were saying, quite impressive and different from the rest. Also in construction, that you do all in-house, so very impressive. Well, maybe you got one more thing to brag about. You also supply to Tesla, I hear.
Yes, Tesla.
So they must have like some big shoes to fill.
Yes, it's a demanding company, but they came to us with a problem. And since we make the electronics, the mechanics, and the software, we were able to find a solution for them, build their machine for their requirements. And to this day, everything is good and they are happy. So that's what we try to do. We try to attack the problem of the customer and find a solution for them.
Well, fantastic. Well, thank you for the little interview.
Thank you.
I guess if Tesla trusts you, maybe the industry can as well. So
Thank you very
good
much.
luck to you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.